About birds, part 1. This is a very beautiful bird, woodpecker. Woodpecker have short legs while two toes face forward, the other two are bent backward. Woodpecker have a flexible and small brain. Woodpeckers survive on picking insects, either from the woods on the ground. See in this picture how beautifully eat the wood. See this bird. This is a raven. Raven is mostly in black in color. Ravens are acrobats in the sky. This bird is very clever and cunning. Raven is a omnivorous bird. They also eat insects, eggs, seeds and berries. This intelligent bird are known to store extra food away in secret hiding place for later. Raven is just look like a crow. Look at these ravens. How beautifully they feed ourselves. This is a beautiful picture of hornbill. Hornbill is also known as a great Indian hornbill. Hornbill have a heavily bell supported by the strong neck muscles. Its yellow bell is curved downward. Black feathers surrounded the white tail. The tail can grow as long as up to 3 feet. This bird are best for their nesting rituals. This beautiful grey bird is called the guinea fowl. The eggs of guinea fowls have a very hard cover to protect them. It is look like a hen. Most guinea fowl can go long periods without water. Wild guinea fowl are popular target for hunting. It is a same size as chicken. See this beautiful pink long necked bird. This is a flamingo. This bird's nests are made up of mud. Flamingo are famous for their bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs and S-shaped neck. Look at this bird. This is a hawk. Hawks are strong, powerful birds. Hawks' strong beaks are hooked for biting and tearing flesh. Hawks use their high intelligence and sharp eyes for hunting smaller birds and mammals. Hawks also see in colors. See that how beautifully tweet. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.